So hello everyone, welcome to Bytecode School. So today I will be teaching basically number system. So what is number system basically? So number system is a method of representing number on the number line with the help of symbols, and there is a certain rules. These symbols ranges from 0 to 9 and are termed as digit. This number system comprises of multiple type based on the base value of the digits. So, so there are basically two type of number system you can see. One is positional, okay, and one is non-positional. So first of all, we will discuss about this positional. So what is positional number system? So basically, there are four positional number system we are having, like binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal system. Now, before talking about positional number system, we must know what is base value. So let me explain you what is base value. The number of digits present in any system is known as the base value. Suppose when we are representing any decimals, so the base value is basically what? 10. So we can write 39 base 10. So this base value is going to determine which number system is it is. Okay, for example, I have mentioned binary number system that has two digit 0 and 1, therefore its base value is 2. So this is the representation of binary and which indicates the base value. So for the base value we generally write in this suffix, like in the down portion we basically write. So now, so binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Then what is this binary number system is all about? Let me explain you that. This binary number system has a digit 0 and 1. So basically any digit which is consisting of any number representation which is consisting of 0 and 1, we will treat as binary number system, and therefore its base value is 2. So you can see this is the representation and its base value is 2. Then coming back to another number system, it is called decimal number system. So for a decimals number system is basically having 10 digit which is from 0 to 9, and this decimal generally means deca means 10. Okay, therefore this number system is having 10 digit from 0 to 9 and the base value of this number is 10. So 125 and it's indicate its base value, that is 10. Now comes the octal number system. So this number system I will be explaining you in detail. This is just an introductory part for the number system. So I will be picking each and everything and I will be explaining in details. So no need to worry. In my upcoming video, you will be able to see each and everything in details. Now coming back to octal number system. Okay. So what is octal number system? The octal means 8. Therefore, this number system is having 8 digit from 0 to 7. The base of this number system is 8. So it is represented in 125 and it's represented in the base. So whenever we will see 8, that means it's a representation of octal number system. Now hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system is basically of 16. So you can see the representation like from 0 to 9 it is represented in a digit format, and for 10 to 15 it is represented in, you can say, in alphabetical order. Like hexadecimal number system, that this number system is having 16 digit from 0 to 9 and A to F, like we represent 10, 11, 12. So we have mentioned A, B, C, D, and its base value of this number system is 16. From 0 to 9 you can 10, and from A to F you can see. And the equivalent of A to F, it is represented in this format. So this A basically, or 10F, we represent in this, and 125 in this. So when it is base value having 16, that means it's a representation of hexadecimal number system. So this the binary decimal, then octa number system, hexadecimal, I will be explaining in details. So their conversion, like from binary to hexa to decimal, everything will be explained in detail. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.